Hi, I'm Mike,
And I'm Molly.
here in San Antonio, Texas with Virtuoso Builders, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
Today we're here with our very special friend that we're going to meet here in just a minute. So let's knock on the door and find out.
Where are we?
Hey guys,
Hi.
how's it going?
This is our friend Luis Castro.
Hi.
He's with Architectural Metal Solutions and Magnolia Custom Doors.
Yeah, so it looks like we're at Lewis's house, but we're really not.
No,
We're not at his front door of his house. We're actually at
we're at the
Architectural
Magnolia
Metal
Showroom, which is a division of AMS. So first we want to kind of go into this room and have Luis explain what it is that they have and what they do. And Luis,
Of
what
course.
is it? Here, come
Yeah.
on.
Step on to my second home.
So they do a lot of different projects. We work together. So this is just to give you an idea of all of the things that they have done, that they're capable of.
Of course.
So what's all of this?
So that's a good question, Molly. This is a little selection of handles that we carry. With these handles, they're a little bit different than these. These are a little bit more custom. So if you're looking to install a custom door, this would be a good selection. If not, you're feeling kind of a little more modern with your door, we provide these as well. And the cool thing about it is that we can paint them any color, and we can, so everything is custom. We can do everything to size.
So if you like something transitional, that's what we're seeing lots of trends of. So some people, and you might see the same thing, some people like it really modern. Some people don't really know if they want it too modern, but they just want to update it. So
Exactly.
what are you seeing in terms of selections, design style, and colors? You're getting a lot of
That's a good
requests
question
for.
as well. So a lot of people, sometimes they can come in our showroom and they're not really sure to what door they want to pick out. I mean, it is a pretty hard question to ask yourself. So with the great thing about Architectural Metal Solutions, Magnolia Doors, is that we do everything custom. So with that, we can practically do any design and make sure that we accomplish the goal of the customer.
I mean, even if you
There's
kind of
some of
scroll
the-
down over here,
Oh.
like this is a custom handle. It's not something you would see very often.
Exactly.
On the other wall, are these the finish? Some of the finishes?
Yes,
on offer?
this is the finishes, the black finish, the dark bronze finish, the pewter, and the copper designs that we have. So they're really strong colors and gives it a nice taste to the door.
And
Excellent.
so these are colors that you can do on anything. So not just the
anything.
doors.
Exactly, we do
Right.
them mostly as well on inserts, brackets, railings for your interior staircase, balcony railings. We can do it all.
Which, therefore, is what he's saying is they can do any kind of ironwork. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into their showroom right here. It's only just a sample because they don't have a 150,000 square foot showroom, so everything they do. But let's go in here and check this out, and then Luis can
course.
kind of walk us around a little bit.
Follow us.
And I know, Luis, we have thrown a lot of curveballs at you because we do remodels, so everything we do is custom. And so maybe you can kind of go into some of those custom things that you do, maybe some
course.
unusual things
Yeah.
that aren't more like the typical door or something. Maybe somebody's got
Yeah, of course.
something special.
Yeah, so and this would be a really good example. In this one, we have a lot of designs. We actually have over 5,000 designs, and with this door, we actually combine some designs. So say this has a little bit of the Reams design, and maybe the customer's like, you know what? Maybe I want to spike up a little bit. We can add more designs, more scroll work, and try to fit exactly what the customer wants to accomplish.
And then you can pick the different glass styles
Exactly,
as well,
exactly.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
I love this one.
Yeah, this is really nice.
You can kind of see me, but you can't really see me.
Yeah, it provides a little bit of privacy, but lets us still a lot of light in, so kind of works both ways.
There's a, right over here, if y'all, come on everyone. Are these all of the glass options that you have?
Yes. So once we have visit from the customers, we kind of give them a little selection to see what they'd like and what they don't like, so we can try to meet in the middle and go from there. Yeah.
Yeah. So
And
if you want it, you can also have, I know I don't see it here, but if you just want it totally clear, you can have it
Exactly.
totally clear.
Yeah.
Behind here, you can see.
Let's see. And
There you
so
go. So
I know we've asked you recently, we did a custom handrail, and our client is a musician. He's a retired musician. And so we wanted to do something a little bit different.
Yes.
So I remember telling you, okay, this is what he's interested. Can we do something special for him that is very personalized?
Yes.
So on that handrail, they did what looked like a clef note at the end of it, and it's just for this particular client. So that was really cool, and the finish was even a shinier finish, which matches their piano. So everything just, it really was delicious.
it's
Came
all
out
very
really,
custom. It was
really
perfect.
great.
I mean,
Yeah. I'm
yeah,
it
yeah.
worked out great. So as
And
you
there's
can see,
those.
there's a lot of different styles here. Real quick, one thing that we're getting a lot of questions about are these kinds of doors, Luis.
Yes.
So
These are sliding pivot doors. They go really well with offices or even back patio doors. Kind of just have a play with them, open them and close them whenever you please.
and I want to show one more thing, real quick. Also, they do things like this, which are railings, cable,
Oh,
stairs, just anything you can imagine they can do. So it's just really neat. And Luis is
Tables.
definitely the person to talk with over here. So
Oh, yeah.
hopefully they give you a little bit of information on what it is they do. They do a lot of work for us. So
And it is Architectural Metal Solutions and Magnolia Doors is
Exactly.
one and the same. Is
Exactly.
that right?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's mostly architectural metal solutions, but we do have a branch inside that same business called Magnolia Doors, and we do that mainly for the reason that we also focus on beams, columns, inserts, everything that's metal for construction. We can do that as well.
So it's not just front doors, it's
No. It's
anything metal, like
Exactly.
anything.
Pretty much anything
even
metal,
conference
we can work
tables
with
they've
it.
done, right?
Yes,
Even
exactly.
conference tables.
Oh
So
my God,
We like to be creative, unique, and kind of stand out, so that's our goal.
excellent.
Ooh. Well, thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next month, hopefully. You'll join us again on Behind the Drywall, and then we'll go take a look at behind the scenes on one of our next projects. So thanks for tuning in, and share with everyone.
And
Bye,
thanks
guys.
to Architectural Metal Solutions.
Oh, yeah,
And
thank
Luis
you.
for allowing us to be here.
Always a pleasure.
Family.
Thanks.
Thanks.